I would
What?
suggest if you
Bring
want
it
a
up.
free alternative to Illustrator, you can use Inkscape. Brought to you by Inkscape.
Yes.
There you
Our
go.
podcast this week brought to you by Inkscape. Use our download code, and you'll save 10%.
Yeah, you'll get 20%
don't say
off
that.
nothing.
Don't say this. But it's like
Yeah, it's free. So
don't say you save 10%. Even if it's free, they're like, whoa. If it's free and I get 10%, then you owe me, right? Like, whoa. That's not how math works.
That's not how it
I've
works.
had people that
That's how
told
math
me that 0 times 75 was not 0, but 75. So people have said this to me because they're like, oh, if you have 0 or something, 75 of something, and then you multiply by 0 of it, then you should still have 75. That is a real thing that someone said to me. So do not tell
they
people
don't know how math
10%
works.
of free.
Yeah,
That's once again, that's what I said. Don't tell them we're giving 10% off.
what kind of Mensa candidates are you talking to?
It's no. Who I'm talking to. This is on Twitter. Like, people put up those random math questions.
Oh, well, Twitter.
And people try to solve them and they put their answers. Yes. Yeah. And then when they start arguing about the answers that are put down, people have actually said that 75 times 0 is still 75, because if I had 75 of something and I tried to multiply it by 0,
it's 0.
I would have still 75 when it's done.
It's literally in the word.
My head hurts. Oh,
yeah. Now, I have been caught by one of those because I had completely somehow forgotten about the order of operations. Like, maybe I wasn't there that day, but I got one of those like math things wrong because I did it.
I watched
the left to right. I didn't do it in the order of operations, and I was like,
I watched a TikTok video, and TikTok is the source of all knowledge, correct actual knowledge.
Yes,
but like in the order of operations, sometimes we think it's actually in the order, but it's not the order that it should be in. Does that make sense? Like, we go, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but when we go to after please, pretty much, or excuse, some of those things can be done at the same time rather than sequential or like one after another.
Yeah.
I always thought it was if they're attached. Let's say if the math and the subtraction are attached, you would do the math first out of the subtraction portion of it. And if the multiplication and division are attached, you would do the the multiplication first over the like. That's what I was taught, like that. If it's attached together, but if you're right, if they're separate and part of it, you would do both at the same time.
Exactly.
And go through. Yes.
Comment down below how you do it.
They'll do 75 times 0 is 75.
Yeah. And also go ahead and put the Pythagorean theorem in there. Maybe find the radius of a circle. Yeah, we all know. Pythagorean was also, I don't know, there was something else with Pythagorean.
Or I've seen that the order of operations doesn't count. That's something they just taught you in school to make math easier for you.
Yeah, exactly.
I've heard that. Yes.
Yeah, I've heard that as well. Off of TikTok. The source of all knowledge, everybody.
All knowledge.
Yeah. If
we're talking real high level math, then maybe that's correct. But it'd be like a dude that drinks 40s that tell you that. Like,
right, bro.
No.
Hey, young blood, I told you that you don't have to do all that order of operations.
Bro. Don't make me tell you about that again.
I don't know why you do your multiplication before those parentheses.
Come on, man.
Maybe go to that school. Bro, I'm 37 years old. I have no school.
I love it.
That's what I understand about you kids nowadays. Like, dude, I'm 40.
Man, get the fuck out of here with all that new math.